Today, the defense team for San Mateo County Sheriff Christina Corpus got a chance to make its case in her removal hearing, and they called a high-profile witness, her former chief of staff. Their working relationship is at the center of some of the misconduct allegations against Corpus. Lauren Tom spoke with the defendant outside the courtroom.
Just moments after wrapping up 4 hours of sworn testimony, Victor INJ, the man at the center of conflict of interest accusations against Sheriff Christina Corpus, denied any romantic relationship between the pair.
Did you have a romantic relationship with Christina Corpus?
I did not.
INJ testified his role was professional, his support rooted in belief in Corpus's leadership, not personal affection.
She's a friend, and I'm very proud of her because what she's endured and all the defamation and lies.
Legal analyst Steve Clark says his testimony is critical for Corpus's fight to keep her job.
He is the undercurrent of the entire case. And if the Corpus team can dispel a lot of these rumors and saying this was just an individual who wanted to be involved with government and wanted to see our county move forward, I think that will go a long way to the court.
INJ portrayed himself as a devoted husband and father, still married for 32 years and a reserve deputy since 2009. He said his motivation came from public service, inspired by the murder of his brother. But last week, former ally Valerie Barnes told a different story, claiming she witnessed foot rubs, loving texts, and pet names between the pair. She said she learned of gifted diamond earrings from INJ to Corpus and discussions of marriage, allegations INJ and Corpus have denied. Clark says even if the relationship was strictly platonic, the county may still argue it created an unfair advantage.
The county may retrench slightly on this romantic relationship and say that even if it didn't go to the level of sexual, it was still such a powerful friendship that INJ was given the benefit of too many doubts by the sheriff. She was promoting him. She was treating him not as someone who earned these positions, but was given this because of her deep friendship.
That accusation of a conflict of interest is just one of 4 the county has made to justify Corpus's removal. The county also pointed to INJ's lack of formal law enforcement experience, serving no time as a sworn officer, instead climbing the volunteer reserve ranks. But INJ defended his experience and authority within the department, insisting he gave representation to other civilian staff. Corpus's attorney Tom Perez says INJ's testimony showed the sheriff's efforts to change the office culture.
Many of the senior leaders in the department want her to be removed. And as a result, it's very hard to enact culture change. But you know what? I'm very optimistic moving forward.
It's an optimism shared by INJ.
I declare that Sheriff Corpus is going to be victorious.
Clark says in the end, it's up to the judge to determine whether their relationship, romantic or not, is grounds for the sheriff's removal.
There is no smoking gun here. And I think what the Corpus team is saying is, look, this was a hit job on me, and they're trying to create this relationship that never happened.
Following the hearing, the judge will give the Board of Supervisors a recommendation on whether or not Corpus should be removed from office.